Your backyard football goal has been through a lot. Between intense matches, powerful shots, and unpredictable weather, some parts may start to bend or wear out, such as this little part down here, because when you hit the post over and over, this will start to break. But don't worry, you can repair or replace certain elements yourself easily and safely. Hi everyone, I'm Carl Philip, and today I'll show you how to replace a damaged vertical post on your goal. So, you want to start by taking out this part right here. You push down on it, and it's just going to jump out, easy as that. We're going to put this away for safety reasons, and then you're going to start by detaching the net. Once you've detached the net, you can go on to detaching the post. You're going to start back here, push down on this button, and pull the post out. You're going to do the same thing right over here. Push down, pull the post up. Easy as you like. You can put this down, don't worry about it, it's not going to fall. And here is the part that usually gets damaged when your kids blast amazing shots onto the post. This little part right here. You're going to take your new undamaged part and you're going to place it right back in. Press down on this button and insert it. Once you hear that clicking sound, you know that it's properly inserted. You do the same thing with the post over here. There you go. Now what I like to do is to put the part which we took out at the very beginning back in. Just place it into the two holes right here. It's going to expand automatically once you've put it into them. Before putting back all of the net, what you're going to want to do is take these two blue ribbons or little markers and pull them over the part we just put on. The blue ribbon at the back, you want it to go into this little hole back here, this little curved bit, and then you're going to know that your net is properly located, and then you can just attach the rest of the net. And there you go, easy as you like. Your goal is back in tip-top shape and you can get back to scoring screamers on this. And remember, should there be any parts that you want to replace, you can just scan the QR code on the other post and you'll find all the spare parts that you're looking for.